Start by unzipping the top pouch of the OrcaVue cover and taking out the figure 8 cable. Then unzip the middle pouch and remove the foldable extension arm. Set it aside. Now, flip the OrcaVue over and unstrap the bottom strap, followed by the 2 side straps. Remove the cover and place it to the side. With the cover fully removed, rotate the platform so that the side with all the bolt heads is facing you, then carefully lay the platform down on the floor. Next, remove the wooden wheelbase of the platform and set it aside. Take the foldable extension arm and unfold it. Secure the arm by sliding the metal pin through one of the holes. This will lock it in place. Locate the metal pole connected to the motor and slide the foldable extension arm onto it. Unlock the middle part of the arm and adjust the pole to your desired height. Rotate the light ring adapter head to a horizontal position. Now, let's connect the BP95 battery to the OrcaVue. Locate the V-mount plate under the OrcaVue base and slide the battery into it. You should hear a click when it's secured. Next, connect the ring light with the camera mount. To do this, simply slide it into the ring light adapter head located on top of the extension arm, then tighten the thumb screw to secure it. Now prepare the camera that will be used for recording. Insert a camera battery into the compartment. Attach the camera to the camera bracket of the ring light and secure it with a quick-release camera screw. Flip the rear screen so it's facing out. Remove the lens cover, then make sure to unlock the lens. Remember, the camera will not record if the lens is locked. With the camera in place, install the tablet mount using the T-shaped bolt, which will hold the tablet on the extension arm. Slide the T-bolt into one of the armholes, attach the tablet mount, unlock it, and secure the tablet in place. Locate the USB-C to USB-C cable. Connect one side to the camera and the other side to the tablet's USB port. Now take another BP95 battery and connect it to the bottom V-mount of the extension arm. Attach the D-tap power cable by connecting one side to the BP95 battery under the arm and the other side to the ring light. Tidy up the loose cables by fastening them neatly to the extension arm with Velcro. Next, attach the external battery pack to the bottom side of the extension arm, securing it with Velcro straps. Connect the tablet power cable. One side to the output port of the external battery pack, then switch it on, and the other to the tablet's power port. Cable manage any remaining cables along the arm. With everything connected, configure the camera. Turn the camera on, then set the dial to the camera icon and press the menu button. Select Power Saving in the Settings tab. Set Screen Dimmer to Disable, Screen Off to Disable, and Auto Power Off to Disable. Next, go to the Camera tab and enable High Frame Rate. Then set the movie recording size to 119.9 FPS Light. Do not select FHD Standard, as those files are too large and slow to process. Once finished, exit the menu and set the dial back to manual mode. Now turn on the ring light. Locate the power supply and OrcaVue arm rotation dial under the base. Depending on your power source, flip the switch between battery and AC power. For AC, connect the figure 8 cable to the OrcaVue power box and flip the switch to AC. Adjust the arm rotation speed using the dial labeled Speed. I recommend leaving it in the middle, but you can set it to your preference. If using battery power, disconnect the AC cable and flip the switch back to battery power. The OrcaVue arm can be controlled in different ways, with a wireless button or via the photo booth upload PBU software. When using the remote, set the middle switch to forward or reverse. Otherwise, leave it in the app position for software control. With the OrcaVue fully built, let's install the stands and stick lights. Take a stick light out of its bag, screw it to the top of the stand, and connect a lithium-ion battery to power it on. Set up 4 stick lights evenly around the OrcaVue. Then manually rotate the OrcaVue arm once to ensure it clears the lights without hitting them. Power on the tablet and let the operating system load. Once Windows is ready, open the Photo Party Upload Helper program and allow it to download the event list. Select Wait to upload on the pop-up. On the Configure screen, click Select Event and choose your event name. For this demo, I'll select LA Photo Party Generic Settings. Next, click Change Folder next to the event name and choose where to save your videos. For this demo, I'll select a folder under Desktop, LAPP Parties, Event Name. Now start the Photo Booth Upload program. Once loaded, press S or triple tap the bottom right of the screen to open the Settings menu. In the Preferences tab, select Import Settings and import your PBU configuration file. Select Keep Import and click OK. Still in Preferences, set the output folder to match the same folder being monitored by the helper program. Although the two usually sync automatically, it's best to double-check to avoid errors. Next, go to the Camera tab and select DSLR. Hit Refresh to confirm the camera is connected. Click DSLR Settings, a pop-up will appear. Under Live View Burst, set TV to 1/250. This should be about twice the frame rate. Since we're filming at 120 frames per second, 1/250 is closest. Adjust AV, ISO, and WB based on your environment using the preview screen. On the Video tab, match these same settings. Then select DSLR Movie Setting, 119.88 FPS, MP4 Lite IPB. Click OK. Back in the Camera tab, make sure High Frame Rate Video Enabled is checked or the videos won't record in slow motion. Check the DSLR Orientation window to confirm the camera orientation matches the preview screen. In the MISC tab, select OrcaVue. Enable it, then click the drop-down under Select OrcaVue. Choose the Bluetooth device labeled Orca followed by numbers. Choose whether you want the recording to start immediately or after a countdown. I recommend start with countdown so the arm reaches full speed before recording begins. Adjust the rotation speed. 35 to 50% is ideal, but test as needed. Click Right, then OK. If the OrcaVue isn't detected, press M to minimize PBU, then open the Bluetooth menu in Windows. Turn Bluetooth on, select Add Device, and choose Bluetooth. Locate the device named Orca, followed by numbers, and pair it. Return to PBU. Repeat the MISC tab setup, and the OrcaVue will now be paired. Congratulations! You have successfully built and configured the OrcaVue.